Today we are going to be finding the surface area of 3D objects. Before we get started, let's make sure we understand surface area. Surface, meaning the outside part of an object, measured in square units. Area, the size of a surface. So then we have surface area together, which is the total area of the surface of a three-dimensional object. So let's take a look at this rectangular prism. So we have this rectangular prism here, and we want to find the surface area, which means we have to find the area of each individual face. So there's a net of the prism. This is the object flattened so that all sides are visible. So we have the prism and then we have the net of the prism. So this is the prism just flattened out, which makes it easier to visualize and find the area of each face in order to find the surface area. So let's go through. If I was to find the surface area of this prism, and this is usually how you'll see it, you won't really see it as a net, but I'm just showing you it as a net so that you understand it. If I wanted to find the surface area of this prism, I would first redraw each face. So if I notice here, I have this face here, which is a 2 centimeter by 6 centimeter, right? I have two of those. So let's redraw those. 6 centimeters by 2 centimeters. Not the best. I'm going to draw two of those. Okay, so I have face 1, I have face 2. Then if you look here, this is 3 centimeters by 6 centimeters. I also have two of those. So 6 centimeters by 3 centimeters. I have two of these. Sorry, my drawing is not the best. I'm going to get better. And then last but not least, I have two of these, which are 2 centimeters by 3 centimeters. So I have two of those. And what I should have done is I should have went and added the dimensions while I was doing it. But okay, we have this here, which is 2 centimeters by 6. So let's write that. 2 centimeters by 6 centimeters. This is the same thing here. So we have a 2 by 6. Here we have the 3 centimeters by 6 centimeters. So we have 3 centimeters by 6 centimeters. Same thing here. We have 3 by 6. 3 centimeters by 6 centimeters. Here we have 2 centimeters by 3 centimeters. So 3 by 2 or 2 by 3. And which is the same here. We have 3 by 2. So another 3 by 2 or 2 by 3. So in order to find the area of a rectangle, we know we have length times width. So in this case, the area is 6 times 2, which means the area is 12 square centimeters. This has the same dimensions as this, so we know the area here is 12 square centimeters. So we know the area is also 12 square centimeters. Here, area also is length times width, so we have the area at 6 times 3. 6 centimeters times 3 centimeters, so our area is 18 square centimeters. This has the same dimensions as this rectangle, so this area is also 18 square centimeters. Again, area is length times width here, so we have the area at 3 times 2, which means the area is 6 square centimeters. And this rectangle has the same dimensions, so the area is also 6 square centimeters. So now we've found the area of each surface. So now we want to find the surface area of the entire prism. So surface area means that we have to add up the area of each individual surface in order to have the surface area. So we have 12 centimeters plus 12 centimeters plus 18 centimeters squared, plus 18 centimeters squared, plus 6 centimeters squared, plus 6 centimeters squared, which gives us a total of 72 square centimeters, which means the surface area is 72 square centimeters. So super simple. Break it down into digestible bites. Find the area of each face, each surface, and then add those all up in order to get the surface area.